Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know so the attacking boss there, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I me say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, one thing me have to say right now, my people. You know, so I'm tired. Alright, me sick and tired of them thinking something, my people. You understand? When me say thinking something, they look a idiot man now. They look a fool man now. Especially we want Jamaican them now, my people. Who want to make things bad for you, that Jamaican man. But sick and tired down, man. Real level, you know. Because headline, my people, of this story now, jealous Jamaican man allegedly kills his ex-girlfriend in Canada. And she a Jamaican too, you know, my people. Real levels, you know. Yo, man, sick and tired of same thing like Uno, because Uno same thing only make things worse for other Jamaicans. And man, really and truly, you understand, when I see some woman sometimes take themselves and say, boy, I'm afraid of man. Me scared. You really can't, because you're Uno too fool, yo. Eh? But jealousy and this and that, and woman want make move and go there. Look how much woman in the world, brother. Eh? Look how much woman in the world. Look on the same thing if you have a mus my poster. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Boy, you can kill woman. Yo, some of the boy make me a killer in the man. Eh? People, I've been through, you understand, relation in a workout. I was love woman before. In a workout, them decide, say, you want me done with them, me gone to a next man. What me I gonna do? Eh? Go end them now and go put myself a prison, go end up myself. Life goes on and see there. Better come my way and you still lose better, and then greater come your way and you. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, let me read the article here so we can really understand what got done with this same thing here. Why would he have done something like this? Because honestly, him not no reason for me, you know. Him not have no reason. You understand? Him not have no reason. But read NEWLINK so we can, don't it? Alright, let's get into this. So, as Mr. Tycho said, jealous Jamaican man allegedly kills ex-girlfriend in Canada. Spanish town native Latonya Anderson murdered days before her birthday. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. A Jamaican man living in Canada has been charged with the murder of his ex-girlfriend just days before her birthday. So you see that, my people, are ex, you know? The same thing and the girl not even together again, you know what I mean? But the same thing just can't understand. So look here, things finish, make me move on, you know what I mean? He just can't, or he does not want to see the girl live. Whatever happened, my people, life, you know what I mean? Life goes on. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Troy Moulton, 33, of Whitby, Ontario, is believed to have killed Latonya Anderson on Saturday in a jealous range. Anderson, who was also a native of Jamaica, will have celebrated her 35th birthday on Wednesday. According to the Durham Regional Police, approximately 9 p.m. on Saturday, Moulton arrived at its Central West Division headquarters in Whitby to report an incident. The conversation prompted cops to visit a home in Cressman Court, where Anderson was found not breathing. According to police, life-saving measures were performed, but Anderson was pronounced dead at the scene. The cops did not reveal how Anderson had been harmed. However, Moulton was subsequently charged with second-degree murder. In post to his social media accounts, Moulton purportedly accuses Anderson of cheating on him and kicking him out of the home where he had resided with the now deceased and her mother. To see how Latonya running me and telling me to move out, I couldn't believe I would live to see her treat me like that, the post stated. I am the husband of her, and I am in the house with her, and to see Latonya making plan with her next man for her birthday. It is killing me inside, and I was acting mad because of she going out with her next man and provoking me about it. The post continued adding, I'm sorry for killing her. I love her and I can't imagine her with her next man. The post went on to state, it wasn't easy to walk away, plus I have nowhere to go and I tried to find a room to live. But it didn't work out, and I have to stay in the devil's house and take all the stress and headache. For the past 3 weeks, I don't eat. I don't sleep. I was going crazy. I'm sorry, not even Jesus could help me to walk away, the post continued. A news online source said both Moulton and Anderson grew up in the same community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and they later migrated to Canada. Anderson leaves behind a 12-year-old son, according to GoFundMe account, largely assist her family with funeral expenses. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. On a real level, Zine? So, this same thing I know, basically, because, as we must say, they're married, them living in one house of people. Them know each other from long time, you understand? Based on the information to this thing, they know each other from long time. And my viewers and my subscribers on a real level, Zine, they know each other long time of people. Whatever difference them have, Zine, whatever fights, whatever argument my people. You know what I mean? As him say her birthday I come up, Zine, and she have plans to go the next month. And if you listen keen while I was reading this thing, my people, basically they did have problems before her birthday. So it's like they may be in the same house, but they're not together, my people. Zine, honestly. And him not state his problem, like said the girl literally just kick him out or whatever. Zine, and yeah, tell my people, we are a man. We were made to be strong. We understand there's a lot of man go through worse than him. Build big mansion, my people. And they move on and leave it, give them. You understand? And it's reached to a point where this same thing I go come forward and I go talk this and talk that, my people. I like say him have excuse. He can't have no excuse for me. Pan a real, there's no excuse for what him do. Zine, because no matter what you give him no rights for what him do and have a heart for come on social media and make them post it after he do something so cruel and wicked. For the time when him have to write something and the sentences or him stating that this and express or him do this to my people, that for sure you say, him could have used these thinking and not do what him do. Zine, nobody not tell me about no stress or this, my people. He's not the first and he surely won't be the last to go through this stress with no woman, my people. You understand? He's not the first and he won't be the last. The Bible don't teach you about these things already. But women are ready, my people. And I'm not disrespecting or saying nothing bad against women, my people. But not all women are going to be the queen or the angel where we want, my people. You understand? Because remember, you know, from the sin part of the Bible, you know, and you have Eve, you know, my people. You know what I mean? And Eve was the one who comes to boom and make Adam go eat the apple. Remember the one day, you know, with the strongest man, my people. Zine, and you see when the woman comes to boom and clip in your Samson and Delilah. All of them things they are telling my viewers and subscribers. Zine, we have good men out there for real, my people. But in our life, and when me that tell people, especially in times like now, Zine, you have to expect anything. That not gonna stop you from love, from care for your woman, my people. But you have to expect anything. Zine, and this same thing I go forward now and I go talk this and talk about that. But him could move on and him could find place. So you not work. You not work. You tell me say you not save $1. You tell me say you don't know nobody. People, this is a lame excuse. This same thing just have it hard for move on. You understand? Him not state say he did anything, you know, because I notice a lot of time these things happen. I know some man I go say, yo, whatever NEWLINK, yeah, but the truth of the reality is, of course, I know say I have wicked woman out there with man wickedness. I've been through wickedness with man before. I mean not kill them. I've been through crueltiness. So when him go through, you understand? I've been through them parts that with woman before, my people. Zine, been in a relationship with woman, rent place and woman put up. When me reach home, I see all of my things them out the door. Both of we live in a community where none of we come from. We are both stranger. When me got me see my things from veranda place, lock up, light lock off. You understand? Woman have man, I walk, I watch yard. All me have to do is make a call, get somebody come help me move. What me I go do? Go fight and go bund down place or do this or what? I go take woman and take myself. I would be here today because them there time when me even not dream out for travel and go overseas. I'm just saying these things to you people. Zine, and me did we younger than the age of this man be. Me did we are young, in my early 20s, them time or whatever time. Just to show you, say, you know what I mean? This thing does have a devil heart and a devil mindset and a devil slavery trap from back in a slavery days. A anti-sin thing, my people, through with blood. You know what I mean? I the devil take it over. A wicked sin thing, this. And me not sorry for sin thing like this. And I got talk. When I see it have a heart for come on media and talk, you know, both same do or whatever stress my people. These are wicked sin thing, man. Wicked. Yeah? Left the local lady now, 12-year-old picking the behind now. People, this is a straight attack for that. Anyway, they attack for it. I just hope say, I don't know Canada last year now, if them do not cheer or rope there, but I wish I did one state or somewhere there, where them could have give one injection or one cheer and finish off. You know what I mean? I know you come and talk about say you could move on, you could find place to rent, I know you're stressed and you can't believe she do that. She have a next man I got plans to go out with her birthday. She have a next plan to go out with her birthday, then what? She gone the next man for your birthday, then you go find something and enjoy yourself. Look how much go club there Canada or something. Oh, you mean, then if that to make you feel good, what? I understand it's love. But people, of course, we all been through love and we all been through stress in our life. You understand? But we have to do what? We have to be strong. Nobody not tell me nothing. I've been there. I've been through the heart of cruelness. Been through what my love, real love, hurts, pain. And what? Me gonna make that mess up my life and mess up my future, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. I rather burn cigarette till the weak feel less trust and the pain and go drink rum. But me nah. I'm a promise myself and promise my life, my people. Me nah got prison for them. No. You mad? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself, you know. More love, more blessings, and more respect, my viewers and subscribers. I'm thanking you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. And as I'm telling you all the while, my people, I one team, I one dream, and I one scheme. And what me do? Me always tell you, don't trust no one. Not trust nobody, my people. No one. Me say trust, where granny that say, where grandpa that say, it dead and it gone long time. Same way. Be safe, my people. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow the Facebook page, you know. NEWLINK Production. Me say follow the Attacking Boss page on Facebook. Follow the Twitter. NEWLINK Production. People, una say NEWLINK. We una have to follow the media, them and strengthen the NEWLINK. Follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production. You understand, we dep on IG, my people. A lot of stuff we me can post over here on Facebook, then dep on IG. Follow the Twitter. Follow me on all social media platforms. Except TikTok. Me no TikTok, my people. You understand? Me don't TikTok. Because you see them TikTok something there. All them boy there. We call themselves gangs. Nobody a beg roses and them thing there on TikTok from all type of people. A straight attack for the same thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. We go on you and tube it. Peace out, my people. Stay safe and stay blessed. Attack. Blessing.